Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your car to the Autodoc application so that you can purchase suitable parts for it. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this plus icon down below, which is the first icon, and then click on the plus icon again at the top of the screen in the left side of the corner. Tap on select make, then select car brand. After that, select a model and then a petrol. And if you tap on it, you can see that you have added your car. If you want to, you can add another one. So now you will be able to browse among the categories such as tires, brake systems, filters, engine, dampings, and so on. So you will be able to find the most suitable auto parts for your model. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.